Ooh, Damian Dunlap, Cinna Be Fat. Mm. Instagram, Cinna Be Fat. Twitter, No Snitches with an extra S. Please support my site, NegroTube, NoSnitches.com, Goon Rated, Trap Rated, and just a few. Um, so anyway, why I about to start my work. It's 5, it's almost 6 a.m. I've been up since 2, hit the gym. Now I'm gonna do some work. Gotta run out. Then I'm hitting it hopefully 2 o'clock and my old ass don't give out. Cause I didn't actually didn't finish my last 20 minutes. My body said, brrr. My whole body started just shutting down. And it's before I even had that problem when I'm taking these heart pills, body's not the same. Anyway, let me get to the point. What about a couple weeks ago, and this is what I've always, if you don't know, I've been doing taxes since I was 18. When I was still in high school, I took a tax course, a college tax course, and before I used to do it for like, a long time, I used to do a lot of people's taxes, and then gradually I stepped back, and let me tell you why. I don't like doing, I'm trying to not try to, I love my people, but when you get a certain age, you like get a little tired of stuff. Like I'm actually been tired showing people houses, so I mainly try to do investments. I am tired of doing people taxes, and they calling me, asking me where their money at. Okay, so if you don't know income credit, a lot of people out there don't even know what that is because you make a certain amount. I'm gonna put a link to the article. The IRS is laying tax refunds for more than 40 million low-income families this year as the agency steps effort to fight identity theft and fraud. The delays will affect families claiming the earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. These tax breaks are geared to benefit the working poor, and many families claim both. For most of these people, it's the biggest check they're going to get all year. That is true. Some people get up to $8,000. So let me tell you how it goes. If you don't know, this is gonna be something that I have told numerous people, and so you could take it either way. So I'm gonna try to keep myself out of trouble and try to tell you without giving you too much information that's that y'all supposed to do. So anyway, the income credit is actually free money for poor people. To me, I thought they did this to keep the economy, which I know they did. They did this to keep the economy going. So you're getting free money. If you have 3 kids and you make about $18,000, you're gonna get a nice check. If you make 12,000 to 14 and you have 3 kids, you're gonna get almost all your taxes back plus 3 to 4,000, maybe 5,000. Every year they kind of change the numbers with the income credit. That's free money back, and plus on top of the taxes you paid into the system. Unless you was one of them knuckleheads that put 10 on that form. Okay? So now this is where a lot of things go wrong. There's a lot of people out there that's self-employed. I hope you're reading between the lines. That if you are self-employed, let's say you make $12,000 and you have 2 kids, or you gonna find baby kid down the street and use their social security number because they getting benefits and they can't file income tax. You use their kids, put them on your 1040 form. You're gonna get that income credit. Now the tax, some of the child care tax credit now is associated. You got to have another different number. Before, back in the day, let's say 7 years ago, you, people was using the same kid. That's changed. You can't use the same kid anymore. Automatically, they kick your taxes back. Then people start fighting. There's a lot of fighting going on in the hood over dependents. So once again, I hope you understand. You understand what I said? Leave a comment or contact me. But like I said before, there's a lot of people that's self-employed that's probably making 100,000 that shows on their income tax they're making 12 or 14,000. Get some dependents and get an income credit. Okay, So it's some fraud going on, been going on for years. There's always gonna be fraud, right? But it ain't compared. You like example Trump. Trump ain't paying no effing taxes because he getting around the system. There's a lot of people that make Trump money, make 500, 400,000. See, I know people from the bottom, excuse me, the bottom to millionaires, right? And I'm going through my mind right now, and I could say maybe 2% of people are on the up and up. And I kid you not. When it come to money, which I don't blame them, because this is another thing that I have. I'm going off the topic, right? I'm looking on the thing, and they talking about getting rid of the medical care. I don't understand why everybody in America should have free medical if you're over there dishing all this money out to other motherfuckers, right, in other countries. That's pissing me the fuck off. You dishing money out to other countries that don't give a shit about us. You know, I did my time. I served my country, and there's quite a few of us served our country, and we should be getting free fucking medical, right? And if you, I'm just thinking, right? Y'all did all these fucking tests on our black ass back in the 40s and 50s, right? That caused all kind of shit, giving us syphilis, all kind of shit. We should get free medical. Every black man should get free medical. That's my opinion on that. But back to the IRS. So y'all brothers and sisters out there and the other people, y'all ain't gonna get your check till after maybe the 20th of February. So if you, I'm down to a few clients now. So most likely, if I don't return your call, you know why now. Have a wonderful day in your neighborhood.